I joined JIS in 1975, and when I came here, yes, the, as when the assignment, they were much harder in terms of producer. To produce their program, they had to go to country, and that is partially every day. I used to love it because to drive out in the country, you know, with the experience and all of that. Yeah, I enjoy that part of it. I used to be the first driver for GIS television, right? And when we go to the country or when we go to an assignment, if them not tell somebody that the driver, nobody not really know because everybody was together. You know, it was a pleasure those days to know that tomorrow morning you get up and go to the country with those guys and things. You feel good. When Michael Manley was in power, we used to run up and down in the country. And at the end of the day, when we were going to stay, the hotel that we were going to stay, the Prime Minister, he used to be in the said hotel, upstairs, up on one of the floor, and we down at the bottom. So me feel good, say, boy, if I'm in a hotel which part, you know, a Prime Minister there. So it used to make me feel good. The next thing I love about my job, right, is when they know what I'm talking about, you know, when the tape to go to the stations, right? And then the program come on the air, you feel good because at the end of the day, if it not come on the air, then it coming like, you know, do no work. You understand? So I enjoy every bit of GIS. You know, what I would really wish for GIS is to go on to better things, and I wish that the people who will be coming in will always serve GIS the way it is now, and to really move on to better things.